Well, today I've been sent this Whall 6.2 quart air fryer, and it's a touch screen. Let me get it plugged up. I've taken the plastic off and unpackaged it, washed and cleaned it up real nice. But when you turn it on, you plug it in, the screen comes on. Just hit the on and off button. You have that here, and you actually have a instruction manual that comes with it. Has quite a bit of information in here that you can go through, and it's very helpful to read that first. Kind of gives you an idea of the operations and everything, but I'm just going to walk that through. It also comes with a nice recipe book too. There's plenty of nice color photos and recipes with different things. I mean, there's so many things here that you can cook with this. But anyway, I want to show you this air fryer and the touch screen. It has like 8 different selections up here on the top. You have fries, bread, vegetables, steak, drumstick, fish, shrimp, and then you can even thaw, if you have frozen food, you can thaw it out. There's also 4 other buttons over here. There's air fry, bake, keep warm, and reheat. And now there's some other buttons here that I want to explain to you just a little bit. This dial, actually, you can take and hit this DIY button, and you can hit the temperature button, and you can adjust the temperature up and down, whatever you want. Now, the temperature range on this air fryer is 105 degrees all the way up to 100 or 400 degrees. So you can do your temperature that way, and you can also do the time. You can adjust the time up and down whichever way you want. And this is also the button to activate the air fryer. Once you get the setting for your temperature and your time, then you just push the button in and it turns on, or you can push it again and it'll pause. And so we're going to go ahead and just shut this off here. And I want to show you a couple other things real quick about this air fryer. The basket is square, and so you got quite a bit of room where you can place stuff in here. And there's a little grill that you can set down in here that raises it up off the bottom, so your grease will actually drain down into the air fryer itself, and you don't get your food greasy. So I got some chicken wings here today that I've already got seasoned. I want to place these in here. We're going to cook those and try this air fryer out. I just love chicken wings, and it's real easy to do. You can do so many things with these, though. It's not just for chicken wings. I mean, you can cook all sorts of things in an air fryer, and it cooks it real fast and real good. These wings should turn out real crisp, so we'll get them in here and kind of place those in there and just allow a little bit of room for them to get some air. And I'm going to take and place my wings in here and shut this off. Let me cancel this. Okay, it's in standby mode. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit the drumstick. Now when you hit the preheat, the pre-select for the drumstick, it comes up at 380 degrees for 20 minutes. But I would rather have mine at 400 degrees. And instead of 20 minutes, I want to do 10 minutes on mine, and then pull it out and turn them over and do another 10 minutes after I've done it the first round. So we'll go ahead and get that started. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll let that cook, and once that cooks, we'll come back. A couple other things I want to tell you about this air fryer. It's stainless steel, and of course it's got this touch screen on it here. But the fan back here, you want to make sure that you have room behind it, because the exhaust comes out from the back, and it's got 4 legs that's non-skid, so when you put it on your counter, it's not going to slide around. I've had some that, you know, you put on there and they kind of slide around when you go to put the basket in here. But anyway, we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. We'll be back here in just a minute and show you what this looks like. Okay, we're halfway through this cook time, and I just want you to look at these chicken wings. You can see how they're already starting to turn color real good. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, and we'll get ready and cook them for another 10 minutes. Make sure the other side gets real good and crispy, because they're cooking good. So we'll go ahead and put it back in here, and we will hit our DIY for 400 at 10 minutes like we had earlier, and then I'm going to hit the start button, and we'll let this cook for another 10 minutes, and we'll be back here in just a minute and show you what they look like once they're completely done. Okay, well, the timer just went off. I heard the beep, and it's showing that it's off, so it's still running a little bit, so it's cooling down a little, and as soon as it shuts completely off, I'll go ahead and pull this out. There it goes, it's shut off. So we'll go ahead and pull this out and see what these wings, look at those wings. My goodness. Look how crispy those wings are, and they're done all the way around. And man, I tell you what, it's great. But I think that's the key to this, is you want to turn your food over halfway through. That way it gets crisp on both sides. But I'm going to enjoy these chicken wings, and I really enjoy this Whall air fryer, this touchscreen air fryer, and I think that you probably will too. So we're going to get these put away, get ready and eat some chicken wings, and have a great day. Y'all be careful.